Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Y7A and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place we have aspect ratio option, so let's tap on it, and now we can change it from 4:3, the recommended one, which is now, to 1:1. And in the camera preview we can see the difference. Now the background has changed to the square one. Another tap to the right corner to the aspect ratio, and we can go to the full screen. And in the camera preview, now we can see the full camera frame. And of course, when we tap here once again to the right corner to the aspect ratio, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. So to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.